Tell me when.
Now.
Okay, everybody, this is Ronnie, Huey, and Reggie, Lewie, and as you can tell, they don't mind being held, but they don't necessarily like being caught. But they at least don't fight you once you actually get them. All right, you ready to go swimming? I know you are. All right, ready? You go in. I know, and now watch this one. Ready? Go ahead. Come on in, guys. We warmed it up for you. Now we have to back away, that way they won't go in. Get back in.
Here, you can do this.
I wanted it one video. Did you stop?
No.
Okay, let's go back.
I can't see because the sun's on my eyes. I hope you can see them in that picture. Oop, he went in.
Yeah, he does. Oh, there he goes. Happy time.